Hey guys, look at this situation here. So this machine is buried. I mean, buried. Holy moly. Buried. So this is like super soupy crap here. And I'm gonna get the roll-off truck over there. I've already tried my Dodge Cummins turbo diesel and she would not pull it. Look at that. It's pretty bad. I mean, it's pretty bad. That's real bad. So there's the truck, skid steer. So that truck's got a 30-ton winch on it. So we're gonna hook all this stuff up. I gotta rehook the chain up. Then I'm gonna try to pull that with the truck. And once it gets out to here, it should be able to just drive the truck forward and pull this out through this mud. So alright guys, let's go see how this goes. I think what I'm gonna do is pull up a little bit and get tension on it, and then I'll pull the winch in.
Yeah, when you pull up, look, pull up like this.
Yeah.
The more you got that over, the better it is.
The more tension I have on it, the better. I don't want to waste.
No. And then raise this up about 2 feet.
Alright guys, we're going to do a little engineering here. So this is pulling against the tree. I'm going to try to take a board, stick it in here and see if this kind of makes it go the right way. It's probably going to snap the board, but it's worth a shot. May work. I like that more of an angle line.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean? Like I feel like it may not work, but I don't know. You know, isn't that just gonna push it straight at the end of the day? Probably, right?
Yeah. Well, you want me to run the winch? Is it still in?
What's that?
Is it still in the winch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go real slow because I don't want
Yeah.
no problems. I'm in the line of fire right now, I gotta tell you the truth. If that thing snaps, I'm done. Back up a little bit.
What do you want me to do?
Back up a little bit.
Let it out?
Back up. What is he doing? Hey! What are you doing? Let more out. What are you doing? I wanted you to back up to let slack out, not pull it tight again.
Want me to do what?
Never mind. I gotta figure out, I don't know what to do.
It's not sliding over?
No. You want me to get in it and spin it, see if I can get it?
Oh, you might be able to do that.
Let me try that. We're gonna try that, guys.
You don't want to tip it over, though.
Now, well, you watch. Look out the back window. If I start rolling over, look out here. Whatever. At this time, we're gonna have to come up with a plan B, which at this point I think we're at a plan C. All right, guys, we moved the truck over like 5 feet, and we're gonna see. Hopefully, this pulls it out. Got my dad running the levers. Told him to go slow. See what happens here. Just want to stay out of the way, you know. Definitely going in a better direction here. Keep going. What? Go a little more. Let off! No, let off! The cable. No! Let off the cable! I can't hear you. Let off the cable! Let off the cable! All right, as you can see, that hole is probably 4 feet deep. So if you ever think about buying a tire machine, well, rethink what you're thinking, because I'll tell you right now, definitely not worth buying a tire machine. And I'm gonna throw that on there.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Definitely not worth it. These things are horrible. They just sink. 10,000 pounds on donuts, right? But we got it. If that tree wasn't there, it would have been an easier project to get this out. That's for sure, but didn't get anything in there. And truck did a good job. Had to get the real power out to get that thing, because otherwise it would have been excavators trying to get that out. So, nice to have a winch. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.